Hi everybody, it's Crafty Rhea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some happy mail that I got from my friend Lisa. Lisa, I hope you're watching. Inside this little package is Christmas cards to recycle that she took down, her Christmas cards. So she did take the backs off, which that's okay because I'll use the front images. That's not a problem. If you send me the backs, I'll use the backs as well. But the front is the most important part anyway. So this first one is a penguin with some glittery stars. And I usually try to use them in an A2 size for an A2 size card. So this one, here's my template. It'll fit perfectly, so that will be really good. And then we have this. It says Christmas Blessings. And I like the little doggy. And the windows are gold, so that'll be really pretty. I'm not sure how I will work with this one. It's a little big, but maybe I could trim it down. I'll have to play around with it. It'll be exciting to see what I do with that. And then this one is nice and small. It's really pretty. All the glittery snow and the snowmen. I really love that one. And that would fit on the A2 size card perfectly. And then here's another smaller one, which is an angel with some really pretty glittery wings. And then a couple of trees with some glitter. Very pretty. That would make just a nice winter card. And then we have Happy Holidays. This was from her mail carrier. Very cool. You can add some embellishing to that. It'll be really nice. And this one has lots of glitter. It says Be Merry. Very cool. Yeah, that would cut down beautifully for an A2 size card. Very nice. And here we have some horses and a cat and a dog, 2 dogs and a cardinal. Very cool. That's kind of a neat card. Very cool. We have another very glittery Merry Christmas. It would be pretty to replace that with real ribbon and to maybe cut that out and pop it up. Maybe some red velvet ribbon would look nice there. And then I like this one. It's like almost old-fashioned looking. Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. I like that. And the glitter, the glitter doesn't go on this card. It was just from the envelope, but very cool. I really like the lettering on that. And then Christmas Greetings with Santa and his sleigh. That'll be a fun one to remake. There's a lot of glitter trim on there. And then here we have a glittery Santa. And this one, I don't know if you can see on camera, it looks like canvas. That's what I'm trying to say. It's really a nice texture. That'll be a beautiful card. And of course I'll make a bigger card with this one. I don't think there's a good way to cut it down. But that one could be a big card. And then we have a church with some glittery snow. It says Christmas Blessings. That'll be fun to redo as well. Maybe you cut the church out and pop it up. I'm not sure. I'll have to think about it. And then this cute little boy making a snowman, Let It Snow. It does not have glitter, but I bet adding glitter to it would look really good. All right. Well, there we go. Thank you so much, Lisa. I hope you're watching. And I hope you stay tuned to see what I do with all these really great cards. Thanks so much. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. There'll be more videos coming on what I do with the cards. So you'll want to subscribe so you can get notifications of that. You guys take care. Bye.